So, good morning. Today, let us focus on the import policies of ITC and HS. ITC HS stands for Indian Trade Classification, and HS is nothing but Harmonized System. So, used for classification of imported and exported goods. Import policy is framed by Directorate General of Foreign Trade (DGFT), helps regulate imports into India. So it is nothing but it's a numerical code system based on international harmonized system. Goods are classified using sections, chapter, heading, and subheading. Each product has a specific ITC code. Objectives of import policy: to regulate import of goods, to protect domestic industries, to ensure national security, to promote economic development, to maintain balance of trade. Structure of ITC, this classification. See, ITC HS is divided into 21 sections as well as 98 chapters. Chapters are further divided into heading and subheadings. Each item has a unique of 8-digit code. Categories. Import policies under ITC HS classified goods into free, restricted, prohibited, canalized. Free items. Goods that can be imported freely, no import license required, subject to compliance with laws and regulations, example raw materials, capital goods in many cases. Restricted items. Import allowed only with license or permissions. License issued by DGFT or concerned authority. Quantity or value may be restricted. Example, certain chemicals or electronics with safety concerns. So, with a proper license, few commodity can be imported. Prohibited is just equal to the restricted, whereas it cannot be imported. So, no license. So, import is completely banned, not allowed under any circumstances. Reasons included health hazards, environmental protections, natural securities. For example, narcotic drugs, hazardous waste. Prohibited items and restricted items, both the things can be clearly defined as DGFT. So the Directorate General of Foreign Trade, it clearly tells what are the commodities has to be imported and what are has to be stopped and what are the commodities has been banned and what are the commodities has been restricted. Each and everything is clearly denoted in DGFT. So based on that, the importers are instructed to do the same. So without the proper permission, so we cannot able to import. So definitely, restricted product should be comes under proper licenses, and free product doesn't have any matters. Any commodity can be imported, and we are paying the import duty, and as well as we are importing, there is no issues. So only thing is that prohibited and restricted, we might have a small confusion. Prohibited is fully prohibited. It means fully stopped. It is fully banned. Whereas restricted is not fully banned. Few commodities can be imported with special license. So for chemicals, all those things. So it is restricted, but with the help of the government license, so you can import those things. So this is the major difference. So that can be imported with the help of license, and prohibited it is fully banned. Okay. So most of the things it will be denoted in DGFT as well as in foreign trade policies. 5 years once the government of our nation, the government of India is framing the policies. In that policies, each and everything is clearly denoted. And HS code is the number. which is given for the individual items. Sometimes, what is the drawback which customs faces? So the number might be different and the commodity might be different. So, if the commodity is not matching the license, so what is denoted in the document? So, what is there in the document? It has to be imported. So sometimes, so they can import the same product, but the number might be different. For example, let us take what is it?